You don't need a big RV to live big. This 5.4-meter van quietly gives you almost everything, and that's what makes it dangerous to ignore. This is the 2026 Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection, and straight away, this van is about efficiency, smart design, and value without the usual compromises you expect in a compact camper van. Built on the Fiat Ducato 3,500 kilograms chassis, it uses the well-proven 2.2-liter diesel engine producing 140 horsepower, which is more than enough for highway cruising, mountain roads, and long touring days. If you want stress-free driving, there's also an optional 8-speed automatic gearbox that makes city driving and long trips noticeably smoother. Now let's talk size, because this is where the Boxlife 540 MQ really surprises people. At just 541 centimeters long, about 5.4 meters, it fits in regular parking spaces, supermarket lots, and tight city streets far better than larger vans. The width is 205 centimeters, and the height is 258 centimeters, which keeps it low enough for most barriers while still giving a comfortable interior standing height. This is exactly the kind of van that works both as a daily driver and a long-term travel machine. Inside, the design is clean, modern, and upscale. The furniture finish is called modern oak, which gives the interior a warm but contemporary feel. Upholstery is done in natural stone, a high-quality vegan leather alternative that looks premium, feels durable, and is easy to clean. This is especially important if you're traveling with kids, pets, or outdoor gear. The seating and sleeping areas feel more like a modern apartment than a traditional camper van. On top of that, the optional pop-up roof adds another full double bed, turning this van into a 4 to 5 berth camper. That makes it genuinely usable for families or couples who want to travel with kids or friends without stepping up to a much larger vehicle. Moving into the kitchen area, the layout is compact but very functional. You get a 2-burner cooker combined with a sink, which is exactly what most travelers actually use day to day. It's enough for proper meals without wasting space. There's also a 70-liter compressor refrigerator, which cools efficiently even in hot weather and doesn't rely on gas like older absorption fridges. The bathroom is one of the smartest features in this van. Knaus uses a swivel wall washroom design, which means the space transforms when you need it. In normal mode, you have a compact toilet and sink area. When it's time to shower, the wall swivels to create a dedicated shower cabin, keeping water contained and the rest of the bathroom dry. This design allows you to have a proper indoor shower without sacrificing valuable living space, which is exactly what a compact camper needs. Sleeping is always a big question in compact camper vans, and Knaus handles it intelligently here. At the rear, you get a transverse double bed that's wide, comfortable, and supported by high-quality 2-layer cold foam mattresses. This is not a thin, budget mattress situation. It's designed for real sleep, night after night. Heating and water systems are another area where Knaus doesn't cut corners. The Boxlife 540 MQ comes with TRUMA Combi 4D diesel heating, which means you're not relying solely on gas to stay warm. Diesel heating is efficient, powerful, and ideal for winter camping. There's also an option for an electric heating element, giving you flexibility when hooked up at campsites. Fresh water capacity is a generous 102 liters, while the wastewater tank holds 90 liters. Even better, the wastewater tank is insulated and heatable, which is a big advantage if you're traveling in cold conditions and don't want frozen plumbing. One of the strongest points of this platinum selection is safety. This isn't just a pretty van, it's well protected and confidence-inspiring to drive. You get cruise control for relaxed highway driving, hill holder to prevent rollback on slopes, and a full electronic stabilization program that constantly monitors vehicle movement. Crosswind assist is especially useful in a high-profile vehicle like this, automatically correcting when strong side winds hit. There's also Traction Plus with hill descent assist, which helps massively on wet grass, gravel, snow, or steep descents. And in the event of an accident, the post-collision braking system automatically reduces the risk of secondary impacts. These are features that make a real difference on long trips. Now, the Platinum Selection part is where this van really stands out in terms of value. Instead of offering endless option lists, Knaus bundles a massive amount of premium extras as standard. This means you're not constantly adding packages and inflating the price. You get a highly equipped van straight from the factory. Technology is another strong point. The media center with a 6.8-inch display comes standard and includes a rear-view camera, which makes parking and reversing far less stressful, especially in tight spots. You also get a charging booster for the onboard battery, ensuring efficient charging while driving. For couples, this van offers comfort, flexibility, and easy travel. For families, the extra sleeping capacity and smart layout make short and medium trips very realistic. And for solo travelers, it's a compact, premium base that doesn't feel stripped down or basic. In short, the 2026 Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. It delivers strong heating, proper sleeping, a usable kitchen, a real shower, excellent safety, and premium standard equipment, all in a van that's just over 5 meters long. That combination is exactly why this model deserves attention, especially if you want a camper that fits real life, not just campsite brochures. If you're looking for a modern camper van that's easy to live with, easy to drive, and packed with value straight from the factory, this Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection is one you should take very seriously. If you like compact vans that actually make sense in real life, the Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection is hard to ignore. It's small enough to drive anywhere, smart enough to live in comfortably, and packed with features that usually cost extra. Let me know in the comments what you think about this layout and size, and if you'd actually travel in a van like this. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more camper and van content, and I'll see you in the next one.